What are the requirements for you to be able to monetize your content on Instagram? Now, Instagram actually offers several monetization features for creators, but eligibility varies by feature. So I'm going to show you a couple. The first one is in-stream video ads, specifically for IGTV and Reels. So what are the eligibility? You need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days, and you need to publish at least 5 videos within the last 60 days. There's also patches in live. If you want to use this, you need to be at least 18 years old. You have at least 10,000 followers. You need to have a professional account, either business or creator, whichever one. You need to follow Instagram partner monetization policies and community guidelines, and you need to be located in a supported country. Third one, there's also subscription. To be eligible for this, you need to be at least 18 years old, have 10,000 followers, be in supported country, and maintain a consistent level of content creation. The fourth one is affiliate marketing and shopping. On here, you just have to be a business or creator account. You need to reside in a country where Instagram shopping is available and adhere to Instagram's partner monetization policies and comments policy. The fifth one is branded content or paid partnership. For the eligibility for this, you have to have a professional account, disclose paid partnership using the paid partnership ad, and adhere to Instagram's branded content policy as well.